I'm Ebenezer Boateng, teammate number 12. The player I want to be in future is Daniel Alves. I like him because he is a very good player, so that I want to be like him. And the wife I want to marry is a slim girl with a back, very big buttocks, and that's a type of girl I want to marry in future. I like that type of girl. Yeah, and I want to own like a very nice cars, a car like Mercedes Benz, Bugatti, Rolls Royce, and etc. Many kinds of cars. And the house I want to build is 10 mansions, 10 mansions, 10 bedrooms, and one thing I want to help the needy too. That's the best thing in my life I want to do. I want to help the needy. And the children I want to give birth in life in future is like I want to give like 5 girls and 2 boys, because I want the boys to be a player in future. Yeah.